Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Vibes. So here today we will be designing a muff coupling, and a muff coupling, as you can see here, has four parts. First one is the muff itself, second one is a key, a tapered key, and third one is a shaft. So muff coupling is basically used in mechanical engineering department, where we actually use it to hold two different shafts. So this is one different shaft, yeah, this is another different shaft. So we basically use it to hold it together, and that is what a muff coupling is for. It's just one of the couplings. So let's get started. The muff coupling. Muff. So click on this. We'll start the sketch. Click on the front plane. We need two circles. First one is 63 mm. Second one is 25 mm. So we have the two circles. This will be the outer body, this will be the inner body. Muff coupling is hollow from the inside. The muff part of the muff coupling is hollow from the inside. And it also has a key slot, which will design it here. So here will be 8, here will be 7. Then click on Finish Sketch, click on Extrude, and the size you have to extrude it to is 88. Fine. Once you're done with that, we will return back. We'll create a new component. This time the component's name is a key, or you can say here taper key. So you can click anywhere you want. I'm going to click here, and I'll just hide the visibility of the muff coupling. Okay, so I'll start sketch, click on the bottom plane, click on the center rectangle option. I'll click on tools right here, change the units to mm, click on rectangle option. Here I'll click 8, here I'll click 98 according to the given dimensions. Click on Finish Sketch, Extrude, yes, 7 mm, because that's the height of the tapered key. Now we need to so let's consider this to be the tapered edge. Okay, so we need to make the tapered edge. Right now it's a perfect cuboid, but we need to make it into a tapered edge. So I'll click by Start Sketch and click on the side where I need to sketch the taper. I'll click on this point here, and yes, this one will be 180 minus 0.57. 0.57 in a sense, you have tan inverse of 1 by 100, as the taper's ratio is 1 by 100. So tan inverse of 1 by 100 is 0.57. And you click it until you get a green line, and that's it. Good to go. So much. Okay, click on project geometry just in case, so that you can directly extrude it. Finish sketch, click on extrude, click on this small triangle. Okay, be sure to not click the whole part. Click on true all option, and that's it. Now if you look from this view, you'll actually see that this side is the one that's facing to us, and this side is the tapered. So that's neat, right? Okay, we have done the tapered key part, so we'll return back. I will hide this tapered key. Now we're going to click a new component. We're going to make the shaft. Click OK. Click anywhere I want. I'm going to click here. Click on Start Sketch. Click on the front plane. Okay, so this time the shaft is not hollow, so you just have to create this is a single circle, right? So this will be 25. cool. And a center rectangle where you'll have the dimensions as 8, 7. And the same thing, finish sketch and extrude. Click on this, that's it. It's perfect. 60. Okay, 60 in the sense why? Because they have given us the slot length in the shaft is 60. So I'm restricting myself to that. And I'm going to click on start sketch again. Okay, click on 20. Good. So you have, I'm just giving 20, 20 is not mentioned anywhere. I just give like giving a clearance of 20. So we have the key slot here. So now let's make some in the extra features. So in the shaft, they've actually chamfered the edge where the keyhole goes. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to click on the chamfer feature here. Click on the edge, 2 mm, and it's by default 45, so we don't need to change it. I'm going to click apply. So we get this. Okay. And you can see that this side is actually a fillet. So I'm going to click the option fillet. And this is the 2.5. Okay, not 2.5. 3.5. Once you're confident, click apply. And voila, get that. Cool. So let's return back. Click on copy and Control V, please. So you have one more shaft. I will turn on the visibility for all the components. Okay, now we have all the components and we just need to assemble them. Yes, just one more thing. Muff coupling also should have, the edge tapered. So that's what we'll be doing. I'm going to click this side. I'm going to double click on this so I get to edit muff coupling where others turn off. Okay, in the assembly tree it will be visible. I'll click on start sketch. Click on this. Okay, slightly turn it because you won't be able to see any lines that are drawn. So here, this one is more desirable. Click on the line. Click on this. Okay. This will be again 180 plus, sorry, not plus, minus 0.57 as we previously calculated. Yes, and yeah, okay, click on project geometry and you're good to go. So once you're confident, click on finish sketch, click on extrude, click on this, and you don't actually need to extend this much, obviously. You need to click on the side where it needs to stop extending. So we drew the sketch here and we extended it from here. So we need to extend it from this face to this face, right? So you click on this face and click on OK. Now let's see how that turned out. Say it from the back view, you can see that this dark side is the tapered side. So once you're confident with that, we can click the return key. Now we are ready to assemble, which will be the most interesting part here. Okay, I'll start by assembling the shaft. I'll just rotate this shaft by 180. Okay, roughly 180. Free rotate option. Okay, and I'll just keep it here. So it'll be easy, right? So click on this, yes, apply. So I'm just gonna click on any one of the components so that I don't have things shaking. Okay, I don't know why, but it's okay, which is fine, it's not frozen. Fine, I'll flush these two faces. So click on constraint, click on this option, flush option, which will basically make sure the surfaces are touching with each other. So you want to touch this circle face, clicked on that, I clicked on this and click apply. Okay, once you have done applying, now we need to match these two sides here. Cool. So now it's rigidly fixed. Okay, you can either constrain it or you can directly apply joints, but I prefer constraining. Now we just have to place the key in the slot. So I'll do that by creating this one. I'll do that by creating the joint. Okay, you know what? I'll go with constraint itself. Click on this side and click on this side. Then click on this side, click on this side, and yes, we need to displace it 1 minus, actually minus 100. Okay, once you're done with this, we need to constrain the base to the top part here. Click apply. Now I'll see that it can slide across, but we don't want sliding also. We want to constrain it further. So that's what we'll be doing. We will create a constraint. We will create this. Okay, and you can mention any distance you want. 1 means 2, so I'll mention 5. Click, see which is the most suitable. I'll keep it 20. Okay, it's still not enough. Let's make it 30. So yes, okay, perfect. Click on apply, click on this, that's it. Fine, so you have made this, you've connected the two shafts using constraints and you have connected the key also. Now we just have to insert it inside the muff coupling, which is again, it's not that tough, it's very simple. So click on constraint, click on any cylinders. I'm going to click on this. Click on this. So you'll see that it perfectly aligns. Now displace any of the, sorry, that was not meant to happen. Okay, click on constraint, click on the base top part and then apply. So, and there we go. We get a muff coupling that has been perfectly joined. Okay, actually not perfectly joined. Okay, what you do now is click on constraint, click on this part of the shaft and click on this part of the shaft. Click on, yeah, so click on this 10 mm. So this one is basically says that you want this face and this face to be like, you know, in parallel, touching each other in this way. Or if you click on this, they will kind of shift, but this is not possible right now because you have constrained them. So I'm going to click this. So if you click on 0, you'll see that I've constrained the key face with this, and it does the job perfectly. click on apply, and yes, again click on constraint. Last but not the least, you click here and you're good to go. Basically you have to hold the shaft as a rigid coupling, and now you're good to go. There's just one more thing I completely forgot to do, which is providing fillets at the edge of the millet, which I'll be doing it right now. So 2 mm should be fine, because since David mentioned default is 2 mm, click on both the sides. Just always remember, in any machine components, the sides are usually preferred to be curved, right? So it will be easier handling and there won't be any chips. So we have created a muff coupling. We can click on the appearance tab. Okay, you can click on this, and this. Click on the appearance tab. I want to click on blue, and there we have it. We have a painted muff coupling, and you can add any color you want. I chose this color. So if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thank you, and see you in the next video.